So the next section then in this getting started series of this Angular tutorial is about adding navigation, and then this adding navigation section and part can be completed if you have the Angular router installed or enabled in your project. Since I created my project without the Angular router, so this video is how to add routing to an existing Angular project. This video and accompanying description gives a quite decent description, short and decent. Actually, it's really that easy, and I also included in my readme documentation practically the 3 steps that it requires to start with the router. So the first thing, that just to make sure that this base href index.html should be available, and fortunately this is immediately right away available. Since this is initialized by default when your project is created, so this shouldn't be an issue at all. The next step is then to import the router module into the app.modules.ts, and this is my app.modules.ts, and that here is the Angular router. You don't have to npm install anything, just simply import it, because the Angular package already contains the router too. But so importing is that's all you need. And then the next step is just to include a router module.for root and then an array of the path specifications, and in our case the component that we want to make actually a home page, let's say, so at least for this part of this getting started tutorial, is a product list component. And then the last step that is expected to do is in the app components.ts. I have here the template part. Simply replace the app product list with the router outlet element, and the router automatically will insert the the routed part into this location. Yeah, that's all. And then when you start the application, the result is exactly the same, so it works totally fine.